This is the Milwaukee 5 3/8 cordless circular saw. What's really great about these is putting on the blade and swapping out blades actually is really user friendly. Milwaukee gives you the Allen key that you need right in the back of the tool. So you just pop that off. On the front, you have a blade brake. All you do is hold down that blade brake, insert this Allen key to loosen this nut, and just pull off this reverse threaded nut. That's important to keep in mind. Turn it right to loosen. If you want to put in the blade, just lift up the guard, pull out the first piece of the two-piece collar, slide in your blade, put your collar back in, and just screw that nut back on. When you want to get it tight, all I do is hold down on that brake again and tighten this hand tight. Yeah, you really don't want to use any impacts on this. It'll pinch the blade, and it's just not how you're supposed to tighten it. This tool gives you all the torque you need. Make sure you're not using any additional tools. And just like that, it's ready to go. You pop in a battery, hold down that safety trigger, and that's it. All right.
Bravo.
Hopefully that's